a motorcycle shoot, also slash fashion shoot. So this is like her first kind of outfit. Then we're gonna do a little something special at the end. Hello, everybody. I'm in wonderful Fort Worth, Texas, with my good friend Casey. What's up, girl?
What's up?
So good to see you again. She is born and raised in Florida, but she got kind of smart and got out of Florida. You know what I mean? I'm just kidding. No, I'm kidding. No, I love this place. It's very nice. No. When's the last time you said you got your pictures and stuff taken in general?
So the last time, and I think the only time I had professional photos done was high school. I think for my senior shoots or whatever,
Okay.
They did, our senior pictures. That's the last time.
And you're 25
So that was
now.
So that was 2017.
2017. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So we're almost going on.
So it's been 7 years. Yeah.
Okay. So it's been a minute. This is gonna be a lot.
It's been a while.
Thank you
And
for.
I was like 18.
No. It's all good, girl. You look great, girl. You look great. Your makeup looks great. Hair looks great. You killed it. All right, you ready to do this?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, let's do this. All right.
Let's do it.
All right, here we go. Stuff over here, and then after that, we're going to the next one. So this will be the first one. So we can get 12, 14 shots there. Here, this one is I want you to put your. Oh, by the way, permission-wise, everybody should use your hands.
Oh yes, absolutely.
All right, so can I put your hand here? Okay. Just relax it, and then your other one, kind of just put it slightly right there. That's good. Perfect.
Do you want hair to one side?
You can play with it. So every time he clicks the shutter,
Move it.
you can move a little bit.
I'm so glad you nailed that, Elise. Okay, for this one now, will you put your hand out here? Reach it out there. Okay, very nice. All right, Casey, now with your right hand, if you lift it up for me for a second so I can explain your right hand. Okay, put left hand in. Left hand, we can wrap it around. You do all that stuff, I know. Usually I'd have a light stand. All right, so now